Sell all your Shiba Inu now. Crypto is crashing. It's time to empty your bags. Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on what the heck is going on with Shiba Inu. Even though there has been some bullish news and announcements regarding Shiba Inu is pumping 4% on the day, and it is pumping on the week as well. Why am I telling you to sell your Shiba Inu? That's exactly what we're going to go into in today's video. But before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to stay tuned with the latest and greatest crypto news. Now guys, don't actually sell your Shiba Inu now. I just needed to grab your attention because something interesting happened in the marketplace. There's gonna be a lot of fear mongering, and I want to take this opportunity, especially if you're on the fearful end, to kind of get your attention. So first of all, fear and greed index is currently at a 44, creeping more and more towards fear. At this rate, we're going to be in fear sometime this week. Now that being said, is everything over? Not necessarily. I think some pumps are yet to come this week. We're seeing a lot of green for the day, but we are pretty much red in the week. Bitcoin's basically down to $60,000 range. Ethereum has lost his $3,500 title. We are seeing even Binance losing a $600 title. What the heck is going on? But today we're talking about meme coins, specifically Shiba Inu. This is down about 1% on the week, but it is up 4% on the 24-hour. There's a ton of bullish news regarding Shiba Inu, and we're taking the news straight from the source from their Twitter. So first of all, we see Rengio Emilia Willy France is officially opening in France. We're excited to see Willy experience expanding into Italy. Oh, sorry, did I say France? I meant to say Italy. Congratulations to everyone involved. We can also see that was the big news they got. There's also this as well. So CoinX lists big win for the bad bridge. This epic victory in the community votes secured Bad Wings listing on CryptoX. Strong partnership with great communities benefits everyone in Shib ecosystem. Everyone wins. So a nice collaboration / friendship there on the crypto end. Now this is another massive news. They are a golden sponsor at a massive event that's coming up. This is IVS Cryptos 2024, and Shiba Inu will be a golden sponsor. We do see a lot of times when the crypto companies take advantage of becoming golden sponsors, it's usually great for the project, and in this case they are a golden sponsor at a massive crypto event. If you like Shiba Inu, guys, you're gonna like this pre-sale gem as well. This is Play Doge, a pre-sale gem that's going absolutely crazy. They've raised $5.1 million already, and it's going absolutely insane. If you're a subscriber to this channel, you know how much we love pre-sales over at 99B, and this one's going absolutely nuts. Raised $5.1 million. It's a play to earn game. Play Doge is an ultimate mobile play to earn game. The game that brings iconic Doge meme to a life of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. Secure your play tokens during the pre-sale to earn crypto playing a nostalgia 2D adventure game, which is pretty cool. You buy ETH, USDT, card, BNB. You connect your wallet and swap. It's very simple. It has a cool utility, but the heart of it is just a meme coin. On top of that, you have the utility plus the staking, and currently paying a 126 AP. Even on X, they're growing their community rapidly fast with over 5,000 followers, posting pretty much on a daily basis, updating the community and growing the community, which is so important. But back to Shiba Inu. Umar, why'd you tell us to sell our Shiba Inu? And the main reason, guys, is what's going on in the global market in terms of all the selling that's taking place. Currently, we are up 2% on the day, but yesterday we're down 4%. And the fear and greed index is something that highly anticipates what position we're in right now. And right now, we're still in neutral, but in the grand scheme, we're basically in fear because we were dancing in greed and extreme greed just a couple weeks ago. So the fact that we've gone this far, there's a massive sell-off taking place. Talking about sell-off, we look at the technical analysis and we see oscillators are on sell, moving averages on song shell, giving us an overall summary of sell. Now, this could be a massive opportunity to load up your bags, but as people are selling, prices are in the red, which gives us a better opportunity to buy it at the low. So you want to take advantage of these dips. Now is your chance to strike. Same thing with Play Doge, right? Getting in early into pre-sales. These are the times to strike if you want to make profits and win in the crypto space. So us seeing a negative summary for the technical analysis, selling oscillators, selling moving averages, it could be a great price point to enter at. And again, when we look at the 1 month, guys, we're down nearly 26%. So we're kind of nosediving a bit. We're seeing a nice resistance here where we're bouncing back. So hopefully we see some high action, right? We can see two big whales deposit 25.95 worth of Shib and pepe to Binance in the past 14 hours. Did the whales become bearish with Ethereum and meme coins? It's very possible. So as whales start entering the mix, as we see crypto go in the green, we can see a strong reversal as Shiba Inu is the number 2 cryptocurrency in terms of meme coins. When we go to meme coins, we see Shiba Inu has been dominating with a $10 billion market cap. It's $8 billion away from Dogecoin, which is insane. There's a world where this meme coin rush Shiba Inu flips Dogecoin. If that happens, it's gonna go absolutely insane, right? So we take the technicals, which are kind of negative. We do see some positive in terms of the news, and when we're talking about news, we can see Shiba Inu burn skyrocket 6,000%, sparking optimism over Shib price rally. So the whole article goes on about Shiba Inu's burn rate spiking about 6,000% today, as meme coin supply take a hit. Market sentiment turns optimistic. Shib prices noted a significant upturn with further bullish marketing dynamics, glimmering hope for the future of meme coins. All that being said, we're also seeing Donald Trump potentially speaking at Bitcoin Nashville conference in July. Between all this bullish news, guys, I'm anticipating we see a reversal in the crypto space. The crypto space has been looking more bearish than usual, and I'm anticipating we are going to see a reversal very soon. But if you want to stay tuned with the latest and greatest crypto news, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to stay tuned with the latest and greatest news. That pretty much wraps the video, guys. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.